Well, we'll use this road as our test road.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's all right.
What was that?
It's just it's dropping though, down to 194. I've got them all.
You got both fans on? Yeah.
Yeah, I got them all on. We are cooking it. Yeah, this will work right here. This sign will be our line.
You want me to get out?
No.
Alright.
No, we'll see how it happens.
Oh.
First gear.
You want to wait till they pass?
We'll do their driveway.
And rock gravel road.
I'm away from that angle.
Yeah.
Alright, first gear. We're gonna get the knife right out of the gate because we got it on. And
You purged it, right?
yeah.
There it is.
Alright, are we ready? Good burnout.
She spun. She spun. We're Smith
Joy.
City. We gotta flip around and see the
You want to do that?
the 11 that you left.
You think it left an 11?
It left an 11. I saw it in the rear view.
Oh.
It left an 11. You had both of them going.
Okay.
Dead end road. Stuck to the seat.
Was it as much fun as I felt like it was?
Oh yeah, always is.
Whew. Okay. Now, that was an adrenaline rush. Look at that.
I've told you.
Nice one.
11. It's a little curvy, but it is an 11.
Dang. They're fat too.
Yes. You got fat tires on this thing, man.
Fat, juicy 11. Okay, so the nitrous is working. Nitrous is working well. Now we need to rotate these tires.
There's still coolant in the system.
Oh, we're down to 186.
Oh, that is glorious.
Yeah.
Do a burnout to get cooler.
Perfect temperature.
Yeah.
Perfect. Test hit, a success.
Oh man. So I'll be able to access it all. But I want that wood floor so it gives and stuff.
Oh yeah. I totally know what you're having. Are we recording?
We are recording.
Okay, so we put the left tire on the right side and the right tire on the left side after the burnout. We're gonna pull up to the same black marks. Try this thing again from the same spot and see if one's longer or shorter.
If you don't believe us, there they are. We just left those just a few seconds ago. Keep going a little bit further. Alright, they're right here at my feet.
Okay. Tell me when the back tires are at.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You can do it.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
No, hang on.
Get ready.
Safety is first.
Throttle temperature is 980. We're close.
Alright.
Are we prepared?
Yes. Man.
It was worse.
It was worse.
It was worse. We don't need to put the driver's side tire on the passenger side. It did not work out.
No. Dude, it was worse. It was way worse.
It lit them up.
It was way worse. The only thing that changed was
More spin.
the only thing I was gonna say was the only thing that's changed was less weight.
I thought it was going to go to overdrive. I ain't lying, I thought it was going to go to fourth gear. It pulled in third, spinning them hard.
You think we got time to stop and look at these?
Yeah.
Diagnose it?
Yeah.
Just pull up to the side of the road. put money on it that it would have been better. I mean, they're thicker.
Much longer. And the black mark initially is worse.
Yeah.
I mean, it was lighting them up. I didn't say it was paint, but just a second ago.
Yeah.
And it won't now.
That was before.
First, yeah.
That was the first set. Here's the middle set. I mean, look, if you look at the pattern right here.
It did better. It did better.
It did better? It did do better, actually, yeah. But no, Steven, if you look at the pattern right here, you got more tire hitting the ground right here than right here, because you can see the tread marks. You got more tire hitting. It did not feel better. How far do you think this is?
I don't know. Okay.
So you stopped spinning, like right there. Yeah.
This is the first mark.
Yeah.
The first mark stopped way out.
You stopped spinning right about here with the second one.
To here. The first
That's like 60 foot or so, man.
60. This is way more than 60. I'm at 30.
It's less than 60 then.
45 here. I thought you meant the whole black mark.
No. From you, I mean, you can barely see it right through here.
Yeah, it's a 45 foot difference.
I was close with the 60 foot now.
Yeah.
And you were on the yellow line right here.
Yeah.
This is the slickest part of the road.
Yeah. It's better. It fooled me.
You gonna count the whole thing?
Yeah.
All right. Man, look at that wrap though. It is glistening in the summer, wintertime sun. Oh, hey, road. What's the analysis?
310 feet for the long mark and minus 45.
Yeah.
Way better.
Yeah. Hey, let's put the tires, yeah. Dude, you can see it. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. You can see it. Yeah, you can legitimately see where it cut it.
Yeah, it cut clean off.
Yeah.
Front side. This other side you can see really A lot of claw off of it. Right there.
Yeah, it did.
I mean, the leading edge really took a beating, but it was hooking 45 feet better.
Hey, it left the water.
Yeah, the sighters.
Yep.